Hi, welcome to the show. It's builtbykeith.com is the parent company. One of my products is icstand.com. This is called FixDebitCardPins. It's a very simple solution that banks can implement very rapidly to prevent anyone from ever shoulder surfing and getting your PIN number and using it fraudulently. Here is how fixed debit card pins work. You have your master code here that you never reveal. Actually, you could always use it all the time if you are not in a secure environment. As soon as you're in an insecure environment or you need to give a PIN number out to someone for a one-time transaction, what you do is you tell the bank ahead of time that you've got a certain sequence. And so let's go ahead and start with like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we tell the bank or your whoever that every time you use the card you want to add a certain sequence to a certain row. In this case it would be 6, 8, 0, and you could tell it to maybe continue the sequence and recycle up. So all these numbers would be the same. So therefore you tell them what position and what kind of rolling sequence you want to have. So really only thing you have to remember is the +2. Another thing you could do is a set sequence. So you could actually use a birth date, like if you're born on January the 1st would be your first number. As soon as you use that, your next number would be your wife's birth date, which would be something like 0403. And you could tell the bank how many of these sequences to use before they reset to the top. And you could also say how many passes. In other words, put a number in here that says after so many false efforts, lock my card and report it as a stolen card. So I could put, let's say, 2 passes there. Now this is a way to fix forever the problem with people stealing your PIN. This is Keith Duncan, builtbykeith.com. Another wonderful idea of how to fix everyday problems. Stay tuned. Check me out at builtbykeith.com for other website names.